Hi guys, it's Ms. Bori. I wanted to introduce you to the website we'll be using for our Macbeth text. Okay, it's called myshakespeare.com. When you get there on the home page, I'd like for you to click on My Macbeth. And what's cool about this website is there are a lot of different features that'll help kind of elucidate the meaning behind the text. So say I'm in Act 1, Scene 1, and by the way, you can click on the upper right and get to different acts and different scenes pretty quickly. If you go to Quick Study, it's kind of like a little cheat sheet, Cliff's Notes type of kind of summary page, but I want you to mostly stay in this play menu. Okay, so I'm in Act 1, Scene 1, okay? And you can see different characters talking. When you see a word that's bolded, it's defined underneath it. So hurly-burly is defined as turmoil. When you click on this audio, you can actually hear the text read to you, which is pretty powerful because, as we know, sometimes in old Shakespearean language, we have trouble pronouncing things. So it's nice to hear how it's meant to be enunciated and pronounced, okay? So if I'm clicking on this, it actually moves
When shall we
and
three
it's
meet
red,
again?
and I don't think that you could actually hear the audio. And then when you click on the two masks, there's actually kind of a stage production that you can watch, which is super cool. It's buffering, so you can actually see the scene being performed, okay? And when you click on this, you get the modern interpretation. So you're not stuck, you're not left wondering what the heck it all means, all right? And then the feature that I really like that my students have enjoyed in the past are these little character interviews. They're kind of like it's like if the three witches were to appear on Oprah or something like that. It's pretty fun because it's anachronistic. So you've got like the kind of old language in modern times, right? All right, so scene summary. There you can see that there are three videos embedded in this Act 1, Scene 1, and you can forward to Act 1, Scene 2 from there. I know I've already assigned some background research, but if you need to refresh your memory on Shakespeare's life or Elizabethan theater, the resources are there, and all the actors that are playing in all these different little movie clips, the actor bios. And also some fun other features, like there's a goof, kind of a parody spoof song on various scenes, commercials, and so a lot of things to explore. All right, so that is myshakespeare.com in a nutshell.